Hey guys, it's MC Fix It here. We're going to be working on this '06 Honda Ridgeline, pretty much all the first generations. These bed lights, there are 4 of them, 2 up top and 2 in the back next to the tailgate. I'll show you all the tools, the supplies, and how you can do this yourself. So here are the tools that you're going to need. Phillips screwdriver. A pick is very helpful. It's kind of optional. A magnetic tray just keeps your screws where they're supposed to be. And then 4 of the LED lights. And so I'll walk you through exactly what I do to change these out. Go ahead and take your Phillips screwdriver and begin to spin it out. Here's where I go and take the pick, put it on the side that has the screw, and just begin to push it out just like that. And you can go ahead and pull the whole unit out. Once it's out, you go ahead and twist, and you can see the bulb right there. Pull the bulb out. Sometimes these ones do not light the first time, so you flip them the other direction, and that's how they light up. And then there are 4 different inserts right here. There is one that's just a touch bigger than all the other ones. So when you put it back into the housing, you do have to line that up properly. Turn to the right, then go ahead and set it in. And remember, the screw is on this side. Go ahead and take that Phillips screw and tighten it back down. Now you might want to turn the lights off. You don't have to. You're just touching the bulb. You're not touching the metal part. But that's 1 of 4 done. I'll show you up here on the next one. So it's pretty much the same concept as the other one. Go ahead and take that Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and loosen it. This one is a bit easier to pull out the screw. And then we'll go ahead and begin to pop it out. This one is a little tighter, and so we obviously don't want to drop it down behind, but pretty much the exact same concept. The bulb might be a touch warm, and that's done. Go ahead and put the housing back on. Go ahead and look for that bigger one, which is right there. This is probably the most difficult part, is lining up this one and getting it to go in there properly so it tightens down with that O-ring on there. So just 1/4 turn. Go ahead and put the housing back up in there, get your screw again, and tighten it back down. You don't have to kill it when you're tightening these down. These are completely unsealed, but they do have a little weather stripping around the side as well. That's all you got to do. We'll go ahead and do the other 2. Same process as what we just did. So go ahead and unscrew it with your Phillips screwdriver. And you can just use your little pick and get it to come up and out. And then you'll pull the whole assembly up and go ahead and twist. Go ahead and pull the old bulb out. You can always save the bulbs in case you do run out. Hey, I got 1 out of the 4. That's totally up to you. I do like LEDs. They do normally become a little bit brighter, and they last pretty much forever. I've had LEDs in a lot of parts on this truck for about 7-8 years now, and not one of them has burned out. I have changed these ones before in the past. That was before LEDs were as common as they are today. So we got 1 more to do and we're all done. So here is that last one. We'll go ahead and begin to unscrew it. And for some reason, these ones are really hard to get out, but don't worry, just get a little pick in there. And we'll go ahead and twist. Pop the old one out. Put the new one in, again, test it. And then go ahead and do that, just like so. Go ahead and pop that back into place. The clip will go on this side because the screw is on the other, and that holds it in. And go ahead and tighten that down. If this was helpful, please go ahead and subscribe if you've not done so already. Comment if you do have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.